Okay, good morning. What I want to do is demonstrate some of the new functionality that we've got within the mobile website, so the dedicated mobile site. The main change, of course, has been the addition of the booking manager into the mobile site. Just want to say at this stage, it's probably taken us 300 to 400 hours in the work that we've done so far, and really we're not finished. We still haven't brought the survey in, but that will be any day now, and I thought anyone that takes this on board will get the complete package. But 300 to 400 hours translates to 30 to 40,000. So the cost of doing this, whether we make money on it or lose it, it basically comes around to how many people take up on it. If we don't get the uptake on projects like this, the development has to stop. Genkan Creative stands on its own two legs, and so I hope every user understands that and appreciates that. So what I'm going to do is show you. I've got a couple of links here on my mobile that I'm going to just use to demonstrate as we go through. I'll use this first one, and that's just a straight going to the mobile site. Okay, so nothing really greatly new there, except if we go down to the bottom here, we got the booking manager. Right, the big change here is now you can enter your email address and password. So you've got different options here. You log in using an email and password, or log in using your booking ID and email address. Now, the same as what we've done in Genkan now, if you don't have a password, you could request a password and it'll be sent to that email, and it'll be an encrypted link that will expire after a period of time. So that's the new change there. I think it'll make it easier for hopefully a lot of users to use the function rather than having their booking ID with them. They'll be able to just get and create their own password. The intention is down the line that, of course, that will be universal right throughout all bookings they've taken. So if they've taken a booking with someone in Thredbo and maybe someone in Noosa or whatever, that they will get, it'll be all on the same platform. Right, so I'm just going to come back. So the second one I'm going to show you here now is from inquiry emails. So I've clicked a link that I've got from inquiry email, sorry. The main thing to show here is that if they click the link on an inquiry email, it will go directly to the property. And I think most people have seen this. Here the details, all the information down there, survey information, details of the property, description, and of course the ability to book now is all there. Okay, you can see the calendar showing when the property is booked, all on a mobile site. And it's the great thing about it, it's built for mobiles rather than trying to make or force another device to compress the information. So there's there's everything that you need there. Okay, so that's the second thing that we've been able to make work. Right, the third one, which is probably the most required by everyone, is the booking manager. This is where most of the work has gone. Okay, so there it is there. What we want to do, there's our guest registration agreement, our credit card information, and we can register there. But that's only a small part of the actual process. Welcome to the manager. We can now upload a profile, so the guest can upload a profile image. In editing their profile with all their information, you can see here their loyalty rating, second email and such. all that information about them, and they can edit their information. And look, they may want to put their Facebook information. We are trying to move this down to a social platform, and whilst I don't think we'll get a great uptake on it, as we incorporate this and loyalty and other programs into the system, you're going to see an increase of people giving you more and more information. So we've got here, if they had a Facebook, a Google Plus, and if they've got a website. And the good thing, if they put a website, it's a link back to their website, so it increases that. It shows here their current booking information. Okay, and it'll also show them any last bookings, previous bookings that they've had. We can see that in the current booking, yeah, it is Jungle, the address, check-in, check-out, door code not available till check-in. And that's important, because what's going to happen there, that door code for that property will appear there at the check-in time. So, you know, if we got a failure with SMS or for whatever reason, it's going to there. So once again, all the information there for the guest. His payment information, if there was another payment to be made, he can make another payment. Arrival information. He can get his directions from there, just like he can on the other website. Property overview of the property, just more information. So if he has a look at the property, he wants to make another booking for the property, he can go in and check the availability and make another booking for that particular property. Okay, let's book now. What else is there to see on here? As I say, we don't have surveys on there yet, but that is being worked on, and that should be there hopefully by today. He can edit his booking information, and of course guest registration. What else did I see here? They're obviously doing some work on it at the moment, because I can see, you can see the loyalty there, the menus, and any extras and such. So there it is. That's the new site. It was a lot of work, but and of course they've got a little thing here, I think, that'll allow them to log out. Yeah, so they can log out. The plan is at some stage in the future to encapsulate this into an app, so that it's just an app running on the and it'll be app for everyone. It'll be running on the web, a little bit like the Genkan app. I just want to show you while we're here, the booking manager now some small changes in on this side. The major one is that the surveys now will not be iframes, so they have been built into the API. Once again, there you can see, you know, so edit a profile picture. There's the person. You can see their loyalty colouring there. They can edit their information. They can give you information on themselves if they wanted to, their Facebook, their date of birth. We will be able to market on people with date of birth. So I mean, you know, being able to send email marketing, if we can get people to fill this information in, you'll be able to use that filter to automate maybe an offer or whatever on people's birthdays. I hope that you see this, that where we're heading down now is, you know, very similar to what the airlines are doing. And look, and also I think we're taking some information from a lot of learning from what Booking.com are doing. You know, they're doing a great job with their app, and that's what I want to replicate and duplicate that in what we're doing here in Genkan. Okay, I hope that's of some value to everyone, and hey, look forward to everyone's feedback to where we're going. Okay, thank you.